Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, skaters. Exercise number 2, squat jumps. Exercise number 3, we have Russian twist. Exercise number 4, invisible jump ropes. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 23. Here are the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have skaters. So I'm gonna go and start on my left side, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to leap to my right. So when I leap to the right, I'm gonna have my back leg go behind me, okay? So it looks like this. So I'm gonna leap, back leg behind me, and then if I go to the right, I must go back to the left. So I'm gonna leap, back foot goes to the right. Okay, so you're gonna go back and forth doing those skaters. Exercise number 2, we have squat jumps. So I'm gonna go feet shoulder width apart. My shoulders and my feet should be aligned like I'm in a box. I'm gonna drop my bottom down and then I'm gonna explode up, down and up, okay? If you wanna make it a little more challenging, you can hold that squat for 1, 2, and then explode up as well, okay? Exercise number 3, we're gonna go on down to our bottoms. We're gonna do some Russian twist. So we're gonna hold our feet 6 inches off the ground, slightly elevate our torso, and we're gonna pretend we're like kayaking in a boat. We're gonna go side to side, okay? Just go side to side. And the last one, last exercise, exercise number 4, we're gonna do invisible jump ropes. So we can start with our feet together and just do basic single hops, or we can do double unders, pretend to be spinning it quicker. We can even do single leg hops, okay? Completely up to you, whatever your imagination has you do, okay? So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout and we'll get started in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Skaters, side to side. Remember, leap, side to side. Use those arms to cross over. If you want to really challenge yourself, try touching the floor or your ankles. Completely up to your level, my friends. If you need to step it up, you can do that as well. You can step it. Whatever you guys, again, whatever your level is, just do your best. Let's go, work hard. From the bottom, just finished, my friends. All right, last one, let's go. Squat jumps, feet shoulders apart, and drop, and explode. Again, if you want to challenge yourself, hold that squat for 2 seconds, and then explode. You're doing great, my friends, keep it up. All right, put in the work, my friends, let's go. Challenge yourself. All right, going down. We got Russian twist. Remember, elevate your feet. Slightly bring up your torso. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Tap. Side to side. Make sure you focus on your breathing. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Ten seconds left, my friends. Keep going. All right, on your feet. Last one, invisible jump ropes. Let's go. Start with those basic hops. Try a couple double unders. Maybe some single hops, single leg. If you guys want to do some crisscrosses, finish your strong, let's go. And time, all right. Round 1 is done. 1 minute rest, my friends. Great job. So far, we're halfway through the workout. Make sure you guys get some water, stay hydrated. Get ready to go for round 2. Put in your maximum effort. Second round. Now that you guys know what exercises you're doing, get ready to go. Step it up to the next level. Turn that notch up. Challenge yourself a little bit more. You got it, my friends. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in. All right, keep up the great work, my friends. We are 10 seconds away from starting round 2. Here we go. You're ready to go, my friends. All right, so I'll start on my right side first. Here we go. Round 2, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Leap side to side, my friends. Let's go. And jump yourself. Stretch that ankle. Let's go. If you have a towel, jump over the towel side to side. How far can you leap forward? Let's go. Work hard, my friends. You're doing great. Last round, give it everything you got. Remember, fast 5, only 5 minutes. You gotta put in maximum effort. 5 minutes, my friends. All right, squat jumps. Down and explode. Great job, let's go. Put in the work. All right. Head on down, Russian twist. 2 more left, my friends. Let's go. Just finished. 3, 2, 1, go. Try picking up the speed. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one, let's go. Invisible jump ropes. Go. How many can you do in 30 seconds? Let's go. Try some reverse. Everything you got, let's go. Finish strong. And time. Awesome job, my friends. You guys already know the drill. High five. All right, here's a virtual fist bump. Pat yourself on the back. Great job, my friend. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 23. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was your favorite exercise? What was your most challenging exercise? Drop a comment down below. And if you've not done so already, don't forget to subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Fast 5 Workouts. If you're into just getting into the workouts, check out that YouTube channel. I will still continue to post here on the PE spot, but it will also be on my other YouTube channel, Fast 5 Workouts. So please, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.